You have done some really interesting work on intelligent reflective surfaces. Could you explain how these smart mirrors help 6G signals travel through the crowded cities?
Yes, before going into detail, intelligent reflective systems, they are basically smart radio systems where you can configure the characteristics of electromagnetic waves such as phase shift and amplitude to move that desired signal into a desired section, into a desired direction. So for example, now if you are in a building and you do not have the signal there, so what we do, we develop an intelligent reflecting systems. These are like digital mirrors where you will receive the electromagnetic waves, and now you have the capability to move that EM waves towards the desired audience. So now if they're the audience, they don't have the signal, so you are redirecting those signals towards the intended user. So now you can achieve more data rate and more connectivity by using the intelligent reflecting surfaces.
It's amazing to think of the city itself reflecting these signals.
Yes.
But beyond the signals, there is the data. You argued for an AI that is distributed, living everywhere at once. Why is that better and frankly more private than having one giant AI brain tucked anywhere in a single building?
So let us first of all understand centralized AI. So in centralized AI, what happens? You are training your model in a centralized server. So you are forwarding your whole private data, like your whole pictures, images, each and everything to a centralized server where you are training the data. So now if you have an attacker, he can easily access your data and breach your privacy. So now here we have a research gap or we have a problem. So here the distributed AI concepts comes in, which is federated learning. So now what we are doing, we are training our model in a distributed fashion. So for example, if I have a mobile, so I am not forwarding my whole data to the centralized cloud. I am doing initial training on my mobile and I'm just sending the weight or fine tuning parameters to the centralized server. So if anyone is now hacking my data, so he don't have my data. He just have the weighting or training parameters of the AI model. Hence, this is really secure in comparison to centralized AI models.